Coffee Lake with Sonoma and Sequoia will always boot in to a black backlight that is really dim, and if we wait it for about 2.5 to 3 minutes, and then it will turn back up, or you can put to sleep and then wake, it will be bright again. So this is how we fix it from the beginning. So here's what we have to do, and this is Clover. So this is the argument we need to do. We have to put these two IGFX BLT and IGFX BRS. Also, the device property, the graphic, we need to add enable backlight register fix to 1, enable backlight smoother to 1. So when we boot with this config file, it will fix the backlight problem. So after we apply the patch, the backlight will automatically go back on high. Sonoma and Sequoia.